Hello, welcome or welcome back. It's your woman Angela K. Odi. Today we are making garden eggs with cocoyam leaf stew. Come with me and let's make this delicious healthy meal, also known as nyadwa abumeni Kontomiere froye. Come with me and let's make this delicious healthy meal. But if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. Thank you. Come with me and let's cook together. Ingredients will be needing our garden eggs. That is our Kontomiere, flake mackerel, fresh tomatoes, pepper, shredded onion, fermented fish, that is our momone, palm oil, tomato puree, and salt to taste. So these are the ingredients we'll be needing for our cooking. As we are preparing our garden eggs for cooking, go ahead and add some water, some salt, so I'm slicing my cocoyam leaf for the sauce, guys. This process is very important. You really need to. And this cocoyam leaves are from my garden. They are really super fresh. Guys, who else use the seed in tomatoes when they are going cooking? Normally it depends on what I'm doing, but for me, I really like to use my seed. Nothing is wasted in my kitchen. And this type of tomatoes in Ghana, they don't really have a lot of seed in them, just few. Sometimes you don't even see them at all. So for me, I love using my seed. Guys, we go ahead and steam our cocoyam leaf on Kontomiere. Steam it. We are not cooking it. Steam. We really need to steam it up. Yeah. Check on our garden eggs. It's perfect. It's cooked. So I'll go ahead and put up. Check on our cocoyam leaf. It's cooked. It looks so good, guys. You really have to let this cocoyam leaf cook. It's okay, it's steamed perfect, just the way we want it. So I'll go ahead and put up the flour and strain it. We start with our sauce, guys. Go ahead and add the palm oil, original palm oil power already. So if you straight, you're free. Go ahead and add our fermented fish. More money for this recipe is seamless, guys. It brings a lot of flavor and taste to your sauce. You see, guys, I'm really trying to infuse all the fermented fish in the oil. We really need it. Today you will not see it. Come. Then I should see on the go ahead and add. I'm not going to add all the shredded onion. This amount is okay. I'll add the rest later. This sauce is very shabby. It's very easy and very quick to make. It doesn't take much time, guys. And it's so delicious and healthy. Trust me, what we do more? We do crash it to give the content and have a produce quite a bit. Until the one Kontomiere for a day. I know the journey now soon. The journey now so far. Go ahead and add our tomato paste. I added the fresh tomatoes, guys. Everything is really perfect. It looks so delicious, guys. I'll go ahead and add my shredded mackerel. I said, some of the kind of friend. Guys, go ahead and add some salt. Salt is always to your taste. And I'll stir everything in. This sauce looks so delicious, guys. When I fry a corner, you crowd. It's on another level. Let's go ahead and blend our pepper. And add some onions. In this part is very important, especially when you are cooking without stock cube or Maggi. When you add fresh onions, or garden eggs, or whatever you are adding later, it brings a lot of taste to your sauce. Go ahead and blend my garden eggs. Go ahead and check on our sauce. It's doing perfect, guys. So I'll go ahead and add my garden eggs. Guys, look this. Just add it to it. If you are in Europe and you cannot find garden eggs, you can also use aubergine and spinach for this recipe. You don't have to worry. Just use aubergine or courgette and spinach for this recipe. It's almost the same. It tastes different, but it's almost the same. Add and stir everything in. Look at this, yummy, delicious. It looks so yummy, guys. Go ahead and add more of the shredded onions. It's very important. It makes always your sauce will be delicious and it's also good. Chunks onion in your sauce is always taken to another level. I'll cover it up and then allow it to cook for 2 or 3 minutes. Go ahead and add our Kontomiere, guys. Our Cocoyam leaf. Stir everything in. Look at this delicious leaf, guys. It looks so yummy. Whoa. Look at this. Look at this. Wow. Our stew is looking so perfect, guys. It looks so yummy. Wow. Our sauce is doing really good. Our delicious garden eggs, cocoyam leaf stew, Kontomiere, and Yadua sauce. So I'll go ahead and taste for salt. Stir in the salt. Guys, we cover our sauce on a low heat for 2 more minutes, and then our sauce will be ready. Guys, our garden eggs and cocoyam leaf sauce is ready. Look at this goodness yummy here. Thank you so much for coming with me to make this delicious healthy sauce. But if you're new to this channel, guys, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD, and everyone watching my videos, this kiss is for you. Thank you so much, guys, for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. By the way, give me a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, share my videos with your friends and family. Leave me a comment below because your comments means a lot to me. Thank you. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Adios. Kiss kiss.